Let's take a look at what to be expecting on our GBPJPY. Let's start with our trend first to understand what market is doing. Then we can now predict what markets will most likely do. So subscribe to stay updated for the link in the comment section. So let's start with our trend. Our trend BJP definitely an uptrend. Now let's take a look at our recent movements. Let's see it from here. This is our high. Here comes the higher. This is also the higher high. Took out this previous high. Here comes the higher low. This is also our higher high. You can see it. Then we got in this higher low. Now that we got in this higher low, our next movement, GBP JPY, is a new high. So in which in the long term, we should be expecting GBP JPY to give us a bullish move. So let's see for this our forward time frame, which is the recent movement. In case market drops, so you very much likely push up again. So there are two ways markets will likely behave for a day. It's either we start having that rally movement to the upside, or market drops one more time, which is very much likely to be before we get that rally. So above all, it will be best we wait for the pullback is before we now start expecting the movement. That is what I want you guys to do. More updates will be coming, guys.